In these unprecedented times, there is one thing you can be sure of.
From fish identification
to wildlife damage,
from watershed management
to wildlife habitat and prescribed fires,
from pond management
to hellbender survival,
from woodland management
to healthy aquatic ecosystems,
and K-12 curriculum.
From sustainable wood products design
to value-added wood products manufacturing.
From walnut plantations
to urban forestry.
From land use to green infrastructure.
And community planning.
From forest ecology,
aquaculture, economics, and marketing.
Conservation and education.
We are still coming together
to answer your questions
and bring you the resources you need
to help you in your businesses and communities.
And with land use, recreation, and education.